How to extract audio from videos on CapCut. What is up everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily extract only the audio from your videos using CapCut. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open CapCut on your PC, and from here you can just tap on create a new project. A new interface will pop up on your screen, and now you can import your audio files or video files. So I'm just going to go to my downloads folder and import this video right here. So if I just play the video, as you can see, there is some audio of these cards. So if you just want to extract the audio, you are just going to have to drag it to your timeline first. So just go ahead and drag it down here. And once you have done that successfully, wait for the timeline to load completely like this. And here you will see the audio right here. You can adjust its volume. Now to extract the audio, what you need to do is just go ahead and right click on the video. And once you have done that, you have an option to extract audio. So just click on it and a separate track will be extracted from your video. So this is a separate audio. Now you can edit it, you can shorten the length, or you can just make it long, or just edit and do whatever you want. And that's how you easily extract audio from your videos on CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.